I'm Pete. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're back in the workshop and we're taking a look at this farmhouse table I'm building. It's my first client build and my first table that I've built. I'm about 90% through with it, and unfortunately yesterday ran into a major problem while installing this C-channel. So in this video I'm going to go through some of the issues I ran up against and go through some of the do's and don'ts when installing C-channel. So thanks for stopping in, and let's get started. Over the past few weeks, I've been busy with my first client build, a rustic farmhouse table. The table's to be made from some beautiful oak timbers reclaimed from an 1800s barn. All was going well and to plan until it came time to drill the tabletop for some C-channel screw inserts. Like many of you, I watched a bunch of YouTube videos on how to install C-channel. However, none of them prepared me for what happened next. While drilling one of the last insert holes, somehow my drill bit grabbed and I inadvertently drilled completely through the tabletop. I'm not sure how it happened, if the drill bit grabbed on a knot or if I just got complacent after doing repetitious drilling. Whatever the reason, I needed to find a fix right away. I decided the best course of action was to cut some plugs from some scrap oak left over from building the tabletop. I installed the plug with some wood glue, did a quick cleanup, and let it dry for a couple of hours. Once the glue dried, I came back and sanded the plug flush with some 80 grit sandpaper. While not a perfect match, hopefully the plug will blend in better once the top is stained. So I called the client and told them what happened, and fortunately for me, they're cool with it. They're cool with the plug, being that this is already a very rustic table with lots of knot holes, which they like and they wanted to keep. They have no problem with the plug. But for other woodworkers out there, you may want to keep in mind that this could be an issue if you're not used to installing C-channels like I wasn't. My first time. So in the future, I will try using a different method. With hindsight being 20/20, here's what I will do differently next time I install C-channel. For my next tabletop, I will definitely forego using painter's tape on a drill bit as a depth guide and use a drill bit stop collar instead. Another possible solution is a portable drill guide like this one from Milescraft. So there you have it. Those are the do's and don'ts that I learned from installing C-channel for the very first time. If you're a newbie like me, I hope you learned something from this video. I will be posting videos of the entire build of this table in the coming weeks, but I wanted to get this video out first so other newbies like myself will learn and not make the same mistakes that I made. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like and please do subscribe, and look forward to more videos in the future. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon.